Magic, Mommy. That's magic.
You lost your stick?
Yeah.
Where did it go? Yay, Vikings! Oh no, what happened, Talon?
Not under the car.
Don't go under the car.
I'm not going to.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna score. I'm gonna score.
What's wrong, T? What's wrong, T?
Okay, I'll go in. Okay? Papa will go inside.
Say thanks for playing with me, Papa. You want Papa to play? You want to play basketball? Then ask.
Baseball.
Oh, well, ask Papa if he would play baseball.
Okay. Where's your glove at? Inside the house? I'll go get it. You which one?
I'll put it away for you. Sure. You and Papa gonna play football?
No, baseball.
Oh. That's an umpire and that's a baseball player?
That umpire is and that hitting. Papa?
Yes, sir.
I need my bats. I need my bats. I need my bats.
What?
My ear bats. My ear tiny one.
What did you say?
My tiny bat.
But
How'd you tell me?
how did you ask Papa for your bat?
What'd you say?
It's a bees.
Oh, I know you said please, but what were you doing with your hand? Papa, I need my bats. Okay, I'll go get it.
You have to take your glove off to get your glove on. You gotta take your mitten off to get your baseball glove on.
Mommy, I don't need this
What's that?
mouthpiece. The mouthpiece.
That's your place? Don't you need a ball?
Help on.
Oh, let me see it. Oh, okay. Show me how you pitch.
No!
Oh, okay.
Mommy, you batting, Mommy.
I'm gonna go bat?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the Papa umpire.
And Baba's gonna umpire?
Hey, I need my Yankee man.
This is your Yankee one. Oh,
I'm on my shoes.
That's your twins one and you need your what one?
My dickies.
Okay, I'll go get it, but what do you say?
Please.